Hello students, today we are going to evaluate integral 1 to 3 1 by x dx by Simpson's rule with 4 strips and 8 strips respectively. So with Simpson's as well as we will use the trapezoidal rule to solve. Trapezoidal rule to solve this. So let us begin. Solution. Here they are not giving the value of h. They simply told we should divide the strip 1 to 3 into 4 strips, as well as for the second part divide it into 8 strips. So first we will solve for 4 strips. H is equal to, so the way of calculating h is this limits 3 minus 1 upper limit minus lower one divided by 4. This is the meaning of 4 strips, which is equal to, we are going to divide this integral. This is something like this. It is taking like, so we need to divide it into 4 strips. So 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So 3 minus 1 divided by 4, which will give you 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So value of h is 0.5. Now we need to draw the table. The table is value of x and corresponding value of y. Here the function is 1 by x. When it is 1, you will get 1. When it is 0.5, 1.5, we will add 0.5 here. It will become 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3. When we will put 1 upon 1.5, we will get 0.6666. When we will divide 1 by 2, in place of x, when we will put 2, we will get 0.5. Similarly 0.4 and 0.3333. From this we know this is y0, this is y1, y2, y3, y4. We will first solve by trapezoidal rule. By trapezoidal rule, we know that 1 to 3 y dx is equal to h upon 2 y0 plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus yn, which is equal to, we know my value of h is 0.5 divided by 2, y0 is 1 plus 2 times 0.6666 plus 0.5 plus 0.4 plus 0.333. When you will solve this, you will get 1.116 by trapezoidal. Now we will solve this by Simpson's 1/3 rule. By Simpson's 1/3 rule, 1 to 3 y dx is equal to h by 3 y0 plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus 2 times y2 plus yn, which is equal to 0.5 by 3, 1 plus 0.3333 plus 4 times 0.6666 plus 0.4. Actually I wrote over here, this is y0, this is yn. 0.4 plus 2 times 0.5 when you solve this, 0.5 by 3 plus 1 plus 0.3333 plus 4.2666 4 plus 1 and the answer is 1.09995. Now we will going to see Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. So this is some tabular, we have all this thing. Now we are going to write the formula for this. The formula states that the integral is equal to 3 by 8. Since this is 3 by 8 means here 3 by 8 will come times h. Now as usual y0 and y0 and yn we will add together plus 3 times certain values plus 2 times certain values. So how to write? 2 means with the 2 you will write the multiples of 3. y3 plus y6. So the bracket completes over here, and the rest of the term will write, you are going to write over here with the multiple of 3. So y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus y7, because y8 will go over here. Yn here we can write as y8. So this is very simple rule of Simpson 3 by 8 rule. How you are going to write? Remember, y0 plus the last will you will write in a bracket, separate bracket, plus 3 times and plus some values and 2 times values. So 2 with the 2 you will write y3 3 and multiple of 3 is 6. So y3 plus y6. If y9 is there, you will write over here y9, and the rest of the terms you will write along with the 3, means y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus y7. Now we are going to solve this by Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. We know that h is equal to 0.5. For this we will write 3 by 8 into h. First we will write formula y0 plus yn plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 from the table plus 2 times y3. Here y, this is y4. We will write again 3 by 8, h is 0.5, y0 and the last term is y4 plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus 2 times y3. Now we will substitute the values. 3 by 8 into 0.5, 1 plus 0.3333 plus 3 times 0.6666 plus 0.5 plus 2 times 0.4, and the value is coming after solving is 1.056206225. For 8 strips, h is equal to, upper limit is 3, lower limit is 1 divided by 8 is equal to 0.25. Now our second duty is to draw the table. When x is 1, y is also 1, because the function is 1 by x. Now when x is 1.25, the value is 0.8. When x is 1.5, you will get 0.6666. 1.75, you will get 0.5714. When it is 2, 0.5. 2.25, 0.4444. 2.5, you will get 0.4. 2.75, you will get 0.3636. And for 3, it is coming 0.3333. 33. Now we will solve it by trapezoidal rule. By trapezoidal rule, 1 by 3 y times dx is equal to h by 2 y0 plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5 plus y6 plus y7 plus y8. y8 is outside of the bracket. Then h we know that 0.25 divided by 2. Value of y0, this is y0, y1 y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8. y0 is 1 plus twice 0.8 plus 0.6666 plus 0.5714 plus 0.5 plus 0.4444 plus 0.4 plus 0.3636 and 0.3333. You should write properly the bracket because twice is only for y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. It is not for y8. When you solve this, 0.25 divided by 2 into 8.8253. It is coming 1.1031 by trapezoidal rule. Now we will solve by Simpson's 1/3 rule. By Simpson's 1/3 rule. This is our integral, and Simpson 1/3 rule says it is h by 3 times y0 plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus y7 plus 2 times y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus y8 is outside of the bracket. Now just substituting the value, h is 0.25 divided by 3, y0 is 1 plus 4 times 0.8 plus 0.5714 plus 0.4444 plus 0.3636 plus 2 times, this is all odd terms and this is even terms, 0.6666 plus 0.5 times 5 plus 0.4 plus 0 by 8 is coming out to be 0.3333. 0.25 divided by 3, 1 plus 8.7176 plus 3.1332 plus 0.3333, and the answer is coming out to be 1.0986. By using Simpson's 3/8 rule, here h is equal to 0.25, we will write integral 1 to 3 y of dx. We divided it into 8 strips. So 3/8 into h, y0 plus y8 plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus 2 times, here it will come y3 plus y4 plus y5, here it will come y6, here y7 also. So this is the way to write Simpson's 3/8 rule. Now just substitute the values. 3/8 into 0.25, 1 plus 0.3333 plus 3 times 0.8 plus 0.6666 plus 0.5 plus 0.4444 plus 0.3636 plus 2 times 0.5714 plus 0.4. The value is coming out to be 1.087490. Now we will solve. Evaluate by using trapezoidal rule with n is equal to 6 to approximate the value of this integral. Solution, we will solve. The given equation is 0 to pi sine square x dx. Here it is given n is equal to 6, means we need to divide this limit into 6 equal parts. So value of h is not given. So we are going to find h is equal to, higher is pi minus 0 divided by number of this n is equal to 6, means here we will write 6. So h is coming out to be pi by 6. Now we need to draw the table x. Here we can write y is equal to f of x. When it is 0, value of our function is sine square x dx. In place of x we are going to put 0. When we will put 0, we will get answer also 0. When we will put pi by 6, it is coming out to be 1 by 4. When we are putting 2 pi by 6, we are getting 3 by 4. 3 pi by 6 equal to 1. 4 pi by 6 is equal to 3 by 4. 5 pi by 6, which is equal to 1 by 4, and 6 pi by 6 means pi. It is coming out to be 0. Now we will write y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. By using trapezoidal rule, we will get integral 0 to pi sine square x dx is equal to h by 2. y0 plus yn we can write, then twice y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. Now we need to substitute pi by 6 into 1 by 2. y0 is 0 plus yn is also 0 plus 2 times 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to pi by 12. 2 times 2 by 4, 6 by 4 plus 1 pi by 12. We will take 2 outside. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 3 and 2 threes are 2 twos are 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 pi by 12 into 2 into 1 plus 3 plus 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are pi by 6 into 3, 4, 5 and 6 divided by 2. We are getting pi by 2 by trapezoidal rule. Now we are going to solve the same problem by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. Simpson's 1/3 rule. Integral 0 to pi sine square x dx is equal to h by 3, we know, y0 plus yn we will write, plus 4 times the odd terms plus 2 times the even terms. Now we need to substitute these values, which is equal to pi by 6 we already found into 1 by 3, y0 is 0, y6 is 0, this is 6, 0 plus 4 times 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 times 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 pi by 6 into 1 by 3, 4 times 2 by 4 plus 1 plus 2 into 6 upon 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are pi by 6 into 1 by 3, 4 times 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 1 plus 2 upon 2 plus 3, 2 ones are 2 twos are pi by 6 into 1 by 3 into 2 into 3 plus 3, which is coming out pi by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 2s are 6 plus 3. Pi by 6 into 1 by 3 into 9. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. It is also coming out to be pi by 2. By trapezoidal rule, by Simpson third rule, the answer is coming out to be pi by 2.